Everyone can benefit from eating well, but people with diabetes may have even more reasons to stick to a healthy meal plan. The main reason a diabetic needs to eat a diabetic diet is to keep their blood sugar levels stable. To stay on the diet and plan all of your meals for the week takes dedication and patience. But it will get easier as more people do it. A healthy diet for diabetics can also cut down on the amount of insulin that is needed. By eating healthy carbs and lean meats, you can lower the amount of insulin your body needs. Your blood sugar is affected by everything you eat, and if you don't eat the right foods, your body will need more insulin to process them. You will also need more insulin and have high blood sugar, which is also called hyperglycemia. This condition can hurt your body and organs in the long run in very bad ways. By sticking to a healthy diet and getting regular exercise, you can lose extra weight. This is also good for your need for insulin and your blood sugar levels. By making exercise part of your daily routine, you can speed up your metabolism and help your body use the food you eat. When you eat foods that are good for you, your body will work better. If you don't eat well, you can end up with hyperglycemia is the name for low blood sugar from not eating enough. Hypoglycemia is the name for high blood sugar caused by eating too much or the wrong foods. Gain weight and your daily insulin needs will go up. Don't have enough energy to work out regularly. Eating healthy can help you control your diabetes and live longer.